Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to use back tap on iPhone. So let's begin our video. First of all, open your phone settings and then you just need to scroll down and you can find accessibility. Just open it. Right now scroll down and you can find the option touch. Select it. Right now again scroll down and at the last option you can find back tap. Select it. Right now there have two options, double tap or triple tap. Who is on you actually want to use, just select it. And there have some action, you can select action for your double tap. I select lock screen for double tap. And if you also want to use triple tap, just select triple tap. And there have some action, you can select any action from here. So I select front camera. That's it. In this way you can very easily use back tap on your iPhone. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.